be followed by noun phrase, which is like Ted will be prompting this near. So the word prompting is a noun phrase which is following by the linking verb be. We spoke about the 3 linking verbs: be, become, and remain. Now we'll talk about the 4 other linking verbs, which are feel, look, smell, and taste. 4 of them, they may also be a transitive verbs and take a direct object. ये एज अ ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब के भी तौर पे सर्व कर सकते हैं, और दे कैन टेक अ डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट एज वेल. सो व्हेन दे फंक्शन इन दिस वे, दे बिकम एक्टिव and are modified by the adverbs. अगर they are taking a direct object and serving as the transitive verbs, तो ऐसे में they can be modified by the adverbs. Again, remember, if the 4 of these linking verbs like feel, look, smell and taste, if they are acting in a transitive verb, means ये directly direct object को ले रहे हैं, तो in that case they can be that makes them active. As a result, they will be modified by the adverbs. Notice the following pairs of sentences which will come in the next slide. Those verbs which take objects, they are active. If they take object, they will be active, and those which do not, they will be linking, and they will be followed only by adjectives. But those who take objects, they are active, and they can be modified by the adverbs. The first example, the doctor felt the leg carefully to see if there were any broken bones. So the word felt here is followed by the leg, which makes this felt transitive verb. As a result, this can be modified by the adverb carefully. क्योंकि now here it is working as in the transitive verb format. It is active. When it is active, it can be modified by the adverb. Second example, Mike felt ecstatic after passing his law school exam. Here it is not followed by any object. As a result, it is not active. जब ये active नहीं है, तो it is only serving as a linking verb. As a result, it can only be modified by the adjective, which is ecstatic here. Another example, Professor Ingels looked at the exams happily. Now the word look is followed by the object, the exams.